Hi, and welcome to the RightHire tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to create a pre-built selection assessment template. Selection assessment templates are generally created by company administrators. These templates are then used by recruiters to launch live selection assessments. So let's get started. If you haven't already done so, the first thing we're going to do is head over to our Assessment Templates page by clicking on the link on the sidebar. When you are on the Assessment Templates page, click on Create New Template. There are three options to choose from when creating a new assessment template. You can select a pre-built template, you can customize a template from a pre-built one, or you can create a fully customized assessment template. For this example, we're going to select the pre-built template option on the left. After you make your selection, you will be able to search for an occupation. The search function is based on the U.S. Department of Labor Occupational Network, otherwise known as ONET. You can search for any one of ONET occupations by name. For this example, I'm going to search for a customer service representative. Once you search for an occupation, you can also click on Occupation Information, which will take you to another page that has detailed occupation information. This can be helpful for determining if the job you are trying to hire for matches an ONET occupation that you have selected. With the exception of a few occupations, you should be able to find an ONET occupation that matches your job. However, if a suitable ONET occupation cannot be found, a customized from pre-built or a fully custom assessment template should be used instead. These two types of templates are discussed in subsequent tutorials. Once you have found a suitable ONET occupation, you can give your assessment template a unique name in the Assessment Template Name section. For this example, I'm going to name it a Customer Service Representative. Once you have decided on an assessment template name, the next task is to decide whether you want to test for cognitive ability, work personality, or a combination of both. In this example, I'm going to go with both. Finally, we need to decide how long you want to test for. Most tests are 40 minutes or less. As an interesting side note, for HR professionals concerned with applicant dropout, there has been some really good recent research looking into this. Using data from over 200,000 applicants across some of America's largest companies, researchers from Oregon and Ohio found that the length of selection assessments does not decrease the quality of applicant pools. In fact, it's those that would be considered unqualified who tend to drop out. The RightHire system combines the occupation information and testing time to determine the most appropriate test to include in an assessment template. Once you've selected a suitable time for the assessment, all you need to do to finish creating the assessment template is to click the Create button. If we select on View Tests from the drop-down next to the assessment template we just created, we can see the list of tests selected for this job, as well as the predictive ability of the combined test battery, ranging from 0 to 1, where 1 means perfect prediction. For this assessment template, the relationship between the test battery and job performance would be around 0.55. From the drop-down, you can also download the Job Analysis Report. This report has detailed information regarding how specific tests were selected for the assessment template. This brings us to the end of the tutorial for creating pre-built assessment templates.